Hello everyone, I'm Todd Edmonds, CTO for Smart Manufacturing at Dell Technologies, part of the Global Industries team. And we're here to talk to you about how Dell is really the only company that can help our manufacturing customers really accelerate their digital transformation from the edge to the multi-cloud. So we'll start down here at the manufacturing industrial edge. And at the industrial edge, again, data is really difficult. There's a problem to get data at scale. So what we have is an entire portfolio of ruggedized edge devices that can help extract and process that data, but then also do it at a scalable, repeatable, zero touch, zero trust way. So we can have the ability to say, all right, you want to get data out of those things that are really difficult to get data on the plant floor. Think PLCs, which is in most factories, there's hundreds of them. Think robots, think sensors, think systems that are on the plant floor. You need to have ruggedized devices on that plant floor with specialized industrial software to be able to extract that data and do something really interesting with it. Generative AI, digital twins, you name it. So we can help with that. NativeEdge can deliver that software load and onboard those hardware devices with zero touch and zero trust security at scale across the globe. We're seeing in manufacturing as well that manufacturers have realized that to do true digital transformation, they need a strategic investment in infrastructure to make that happen. No longer is it just individual use cases and individual workloads. We have to do a consolidated, converged, hyper-converged approach to running all those applications, because the applications aren't getting smaller, they're not getting fewer, they're growing exponentially. Think digital twins, think digital thread, think generative AI and doing inferencing at the edge on-prem in those factories. So manufacturers who have adopted this approach are already looking at generative AI, for example, to be able to be on their plant floor and say, I wonder what affected my yield yesterday. They can do it from a conversational approach that way. And the generative AI knows their manufacturing infrastructure, knows what's going on their plant floor, and can tell them exactly not just what went wrong, but how to fix what went wrong. And then of course, all of our workstations that can be run on the plant to do generative AI inferencing, all of this managed by the NativeEdge console remotely and securely and at scale for all of the customers' manufacturing plants. That's the differentiator that Dell can bring to you and your manufacturing operations. From cloud to multi-cloud, from shop floor to top floor, Dell Technologies is your strategic partner from end to end to accelerate all your digital transformation needs.